Hello everyone, welcome to Cuboid Farms Study Circle. Today I will discuss about most important upcoming railway pharmacist examination. It's a very helpful in MCQs, most important. So let's start the today's session. Question number 1. Which of the following not found in the upper respiratory tract? Option 1 oropharynx, option 2 platina tonsils, option 3 trachea, option 4 pharynx. The correct option is 1 oropharynx. So the oropharynx is a part of digestive system. Okay, the correct answer is option 1. Question number 2. How many lobes are there in the left lung? So option 1 1, option 2 4, option 3 2, option 4 7. The correct option is option 3 2. So totally how many lobes are there in the left lung? 2. So you can simply draw the diagram. So this is the identify the lungs. So lungs is a left upper lobe and left lungs. Well, right lungs is a 3, have 3 lobes, left side and 3 lobes, and upper and lower and middle. Okay, so there are totally 2 lobes in left lung. The correct option is 2. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a part of the respiration? Option 1 internal ventilation, option 2 external respiration, option 3 transport of gases, option 4 pulmonary ventilation. The correct option is internal ventilation. So the internal ventilation is the respiratory part. Okay, the correct option is 1 internal ventilation. Question number 4. Which gas law states that pressure excreted of gas inversely proportional to its volume? Option 1 Hen's law, second Boyle's law, third Dalton's law, fourth Fick's law. The correct option is Boyle's law. So Boyle's law is the correct answer. So Boyle's law, it is a simply inverse relationship of the pressure and volume of Boyle's law. The correct option is 2. Question number 5. How is the majority of oxygen transported around the body? Option 1 dissolved in plasma, option 2 attached to hemoglobin, option 3 has a bicarbonate, option 4 attached to plasma proteins. The correct option is option 2 attached to hemoglobin. So you can simply hemoglobin, it's a content of iron content of oxygen transport to metalloprotein. So it's a metalloprotein is the RBC. Okay, so how is the majority of oxygen transported around the body? Attached to the hemoglobin. So hemoglobin helpful in our body. So correct option is 2. Question number 6. The circulatory route that runs from the digestive tract to liver is called as 1 hepatic portal circulation, 2 systemic circulation, 3 coronary circulation, 4 pulmonary circulation. The correct option is hepatic circulation. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so hepatic portal circulation is the portal venous system. portal venous system. Okay, so responsible for the directing to the blood, direct to the blood to parts of the gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract. Okay, so gastrointestinal to the liver. Okay, so substance absorbed in the small intestine travel first to the liver from processing before continuing the of heart. The correct option is the hepatic portal circulation. Option number 1 is the correct. Question number 7. Arteries that directly lead into the capillaries are called 1. Arterioles, 2. Muscular arteries, 3. Venous, 4. Venulus. The correct option is arterioles. Okay, correct option is the arterioles. So arterioles is the capillary veins. Okay, eighth question. The hepatic portal vein transports option 1 blood to the brain, option 2 nutrient rich blood to the liver, option 3 blood to the skin, option 4 transport blood to the heart. The correct option is nutrient rich blood to the liver. Correct option is 2. Question number 9. Lack of vitamin B12 results in option 1 vascular spasm, option 2 anemia, option 3 agglutination, option 4 vascular dilution. The correct option is the correct option is anemia. The correct option is anemia. So anemia, it is helpful of vitamin B12. Okay, so B12 helps in production of healthy red blood cells, RBC. So red blood cells helpful of our body in oxygen, around our body. Okay, and not having enough vitamin B12 is called as deficiency of anemia. So the correct option is 2, anemia. Question number 10. Hemoglobin is 1 carbohydrates, 2 white blood cells, 3 antibodies, 4 protein. So hemoglobin is called as protein. Protein is the correct answer. How many globin molecules does a polypeptide chain have? 1 8, option 2 7, option 3 4, option 4 is 12. Correct answer is 4. Option 3 is the correct answer. So the polypeptide chain and term of describe the basic covalent structure. Okay, so the correct answer is 4. Question number 12. The least numerous of the WBC. 1 is basophils, option 2 lymphocytes, option 3 neutrophils, option 4 monocytes. The correct option is basophils. The basophil is the and neutrophils is the 72% in WBC involved, and okay, basophils is the 0.4%, and the lymphocyte is a 30%. Okay, so monocyte is 5.3%. 3% of white blood cells and the least numerous. Okay, so correct option is 1. Least numerous of WBC is the basophils. Remaining 3 also higher. The correct option is 1. Question number 13. The process of taking food into the digestive system known as option 1 injection, option 2 propulsion, option 3 elimination, option 4 digestion. The correct option is ingestion. So so ingestion process taking food into the digestive system is called as ingestion. Okay. So this is the stomach and food involved. This is the mouth. Some of food in involved through the wall. Option number, okay. Question number 14. Which this not constituent of saliva? 1. Salivary amylase. 2. Lysozyme. 3. Mucus. 4. Pepsin. The correct option is pepsin. So pepsin is a enzyme. Pepsin is an enzyme and zymogen and pepsogens is a release of the chief cells. Which cells released in pepsin? Chief cells. Okay. So correct answer is the pepsin. Question number 15. Which artery supplies the stomach with oxygenated blood? Option 1 carotid artery, option 2 celiac artery, option 3 gastric artery, option 4 cephalic artery. The correct option is celiac artery. Okay. Question number 16. Which cells secretes in pepsinogen? Option 1 mucous neck cells, option 2 partial cells, option C G cells, option C chief cells. Let's discuss to the chief cells. Chief cells, it is a release in pepsin enzyme. Okay. So the correct answer is chief cell is a pepsin. Correct option is a 4. Next question. Which part of the digestive tract has a small adaptations called microvilli? Option 1 the esophagus, option 2 the small intestine, option 3 the stomach, option 4 the large intestine. The correct answer is option 2 is the correct, the small intestine. So basically small intestine due to microvilli. Okay. The microvilli and surface area of increases for absorption. It's helpful of the absorption in. Okay. So the correct answer is 2 this small intestine. Question number 18. Which cell of the small intestine secretes mucus? Option 1 Paneth cells, option 2 absorptive cells, option 3 enteroendocrine, option 4 goblet cells. The correct option is goblet cell. Okay. So goblet cells is a glandular and simple epithelium columnar epithelium. Okay. Columnar epithelium cell. The correct option is which cells are the small intestine secrets of mucus? Goblet cells. Question number 19. Which constitute of pancreatic juice helps in to digest fats? Option 1 lipase, option 2 trypsinogen, option 3 amylase, option 4 insulin. The correct option is lipase. The lipase is the pancreatic juice. It's a liquid secret of the pancreas. So which contains variety of enzymes and including trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen and elastase carboxypeptidase and lipase and a nuclease and amylase. So the correct answer is lipase. Option 1 is correct. Question number 20. Which of the following is not useful found in the urine? option number glucose, option 2 protein, option 3 red blood cells, option 4 all of the above. The correct option is all of the above. So glucose and protein in red blood cells, it is a useful not from the urine. Okay, so urine in aqueous solution greater than 95%. So the 95% of the water, okay, and remaining constituents order decrease in the concentration of urea. Urea is a 99.3, 9.3, and chloride is 1.87, and sodium 1.17, and potassium is a 0.750. So the correct answer is all of the above. Okay, and I think this is the section very helpful in our upcoming examination in RRB. So thank you so much, and please like, share, subscribe in Cuboid Pharmacy Study Circle channel. Okay, thank you so much.